Looking for the best adult tricycles that blend comfort, stability, and style? Whether you're commuting, exercising, or just enjoying a smooth ride, we've tested the top three-wheel bikes built for adults of all ages. From heavy-duty frames to recumbent cruisers, we break down what really matters: ride quality, ease of use, and value for your money. Stick around to find the perfect adult trike for your lifestyle and needs. The Viribus Adult Tricycle is built for comfort, strength, and daily practicality. With a 400 lb weight capacity, the carbon steel frame feels solid from the first ride. It's a good choice for riders who want reliability, whether for errands or exercise. The detachable rear basket is more useful than it looks. It rolls separately, so you can shop or carry supplies without lifting. You won't struggle with space. It easily fits groceries, bags, or even small pets. This trike rides smoothly across different surfaces thanks to its 7-speed derailleur. The gear shift is simple, just a thumb press, and helps on slopes or long rides. What really helps with comfort, though, is the front suspension. Combined with wide tires and a padded saddle, it absorbs small bumps and keeps the ride steady. Another smart feature is the dual chain system. It reduces setup time and keeps the chain stable, which matters for new riders. The step-through frame makes it easier to get on and off, especially for seniors or anyone with limited mobility. This isn't about speed. It's about control, comfort, and getting things done without hassle. For daily tasks or easygoing rides, it fits the purpose well. 630 EVRYjourney Adult Electric Tricycle. If you're looking for a simple, comfortable ride for short trips, errands, or just cruising around the neighborhood, the 630 EVRYjourney Electric Tricycle might work for you. It has a 250-watt motor that can run on pedal assist or full electric mode. With a top speed of 15 miles per hour, it isn't built for speed, but it is steady and easy to control. The 26-inch wheels and semi-slick tires help smooth out bumps, and the wide saddle seat is soft enough for longer rides. The upright frame is designed to reduce pressure on your joints and back, which can be helpful if you want a relaxed ride without strain. Stopping is reliable too, with front and rear brakes for safety. It also includes a rear basket, handy for carrying groceries or bags. The trike fits people between 5 feet and 6 feet 2 inches and supports up to 300 pounds. That said, it's not ideal for hills or fast-paced riding. The motor is on the lower end, and the speed won't thrill you. But for everyday use on flat paths, it's dependable and practical. Slsy Adult Mountain Tricycle. If you're looking for a stable and practical ride for daily use or light adventure, the Slsy Adult Mountain Tricycle stands out for one clear reason: sturdiness. Its steel frame isn't just durable, it's made to carry up to 420 pounds without shaking or wobbling. That kind of load capacity is hard to find in a three-wheeler. What really sets it apart is the all-terrain capability. Whether it's grass, gravel, or light mountain paths, the tires grip well. No slipping, even in looser terrain. It's a great match for seniors or anyone who wants exercise without the stress of balancing on two wheels. The rear basket? It's big. Big enough for grocery bags, gym gear, or even picnic supplies. If you're running errands or heading out for a ride, you'll use it more than you think. Safety also gets a check mark. The brakes respond reliably, even on slopes. That peace of mind matters, especially if you're hauling a full basket or navigating bumpy trails. Setup is straightforward. Tools and a manual come in the box, along with a water bottle cage for longer rides. It's not flashy. It's just solid, simple, and built to do its job well. You don't ride the Schwinn Meridian, you glide on it. From the moment you swing a leg over the low step-through frame, it's like the road suddenly got smoother. The 26-inch wheels roll steady, no wobbles, no surprises. Ideal for riders from 5 feet 4 inches to 6 feet 2, and it doesn't flinch at a 300-pound load. Got groceries? A pup? Toss them in the redesigned foldable basket. It's deep, sturdy, and holds up to 44 pounds. No more "where do I put this" moments. Braking? Solid. Front V-brake handles sharp stops. Rear band brake, smooth and quiet. It's built for older riders, those recovering from injury, or just folks done with the whole balancing act. Fenders keep you clean. Extra wide saddle keeps you comfy. Oversized tires chew through cracks in the sidewalk like it's cake. Is it flashy? Not really. But you're not riding for show. You're riding for freedom, for fresh air, for you. The Schwinn Meridian isn't just a trike. It's a second chance at joy on 3 wheels. Mobo Triton Pro Adult Recumbent Tricycle. The Mobo Triton Pro isn't your standard trike. It's built low, wide, and stable. Its recumbent design makes it a smart choice for riders who want comfort and control, especially those dealing with back or knee issues. Instead of a saddle, it uses a reclined seat that spreads your weight evenly. That means less pressure on joints and a more relaxed ride. There's no need to balance. The low center of gravity and wide rear base keep you steady, even while turning. Steering is done with dual joysticks. Easy hand motions guide the bike smoothly. It's a good fit for flat roads and gentle slopes, not steep hills or rough trails. The frame adjusts to riders from 4 feet 2 inches to 6 feet 3 and holds up to 250 pounds. That makes it flexible for different body types. It runs on a no-maintenance, chainless single-gear system, simple, clean, and quiet. And while it's not fast, it's steady. Brakes work well with a basic caliper setup. A safety flag adds visibility, which is helpful since the trike sits low to the ground. Overall, it's made for slow-paced rides and light workouts. If you want a calm way to move outdoors without stress on your body, this trike delivers.